The Lockin V7 Max offers a look at where high-end smart home security may be heading. This video explains who makes the lock, their background in smart lock technology, and how it is installed. We'll also look at what sets it apart from a typical smart lock and what to expect in terms of availability and pricing. Rather than aiming for the mass market, this lock is positioned as a premium, professionally installed for advanced smart homes. But before I begin, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel if you enjoy this video. It's simple to do, it supports my work, and I appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching and helping me strive for 1,000 subscribers. Okay, let's continue. The V7 Max is made by Lockin, a smart lock company founded in 2014 that focuses heavily on vein recognition security technology. The company describes itself as a global leader in palm and vein-based smart locks. Over the years, Lockin has accumulated more than 500 core technology patents and has worked with well-known brands such as Samsung and Wyze on smart lock development. Their products are used by tens of millions of people worldwide. Lockin operates what it calls the world's largest Apple MFI-certified smart lock factory in China. This Chinese brand is often associated with the broader Look and Lockin ecosystem, which covers a wide range of smart access products. The V7 Max is not Lockin's first smart lock. The company already sells models like the Vino Pro Deadbolt Smart Lock and the Aeon solar-powered Smart Lock, and it has previously released vein recognition locks that have performed well in the market. What makes the V7 Max different is that it is Lockin's first flagship model to combine its new AuraCharge wireless optical power system with triple biometric authentication in a single, top-tier product. The V7 Max is a mortise-style entry lock with an integrated handle, meaning it replaces the entire lock set rather than adding on to an existing deadbolt. Mortise locks are common in higher-end doors, but require more precise door cutouts than standard deadbolts. Because of this, installation is a bit more complex. Lockin has indicated that it will offer professional installation services, as mortise installations are not typically a simple screwdriver-only job. For doors that already have a compatible mortise cutout, it can only then function as a drop-in upgrade. However, for most users, this is best viewed as a professional or experienced DIY installation rather than a quick retrofit. One of the standout features of the V7 Max is its wireless optical power system, called AuraCharge. Instead of relying on disposable batteries or manual recharging, the lock is powered by an optical transmitter plugged into a wall outlet. This transmitter sends eye-safe infrared light to a receiver panel on the lock from up to about 4 meters away. The goal is a zero-maintenance power system that eliminates the need to ever replace or recharge batteries. Security is another major focus. This lock uses triple biometric authentication, combining finger vein recognition, palm vein recognition, and 3D facial recognition. This goes beyond the fingerprint sensors commonly found on most smart locks. Lockin has long specialized in palm vein technology and has previously received TÜV certifications for the performance and reliability of its biometric systems. This lock also integrates video features. It includes 2 exterior HD cameras that provide a wide, panoramic view along with doorbell and video monitoring functions. Inside and outside the door are dual 5-inch touchscreens that allow users to see visitors, manage access, and review activity. Through the Lockin AI platform, features such as delivery detection, theft deterrence, visitor management, and searchable video indexing are supported. In terms of smart home compatibility, the V7 Max supports major ecosystems, including Google, Apple, Amazon, and Samsung, through the Matter standard. Basic smart home integration does not require a separate hub. The lock's industrial design was led by Hartmut Esslinger, Apple's former chief designer, who created a front panel that is notably slim at around 15 millimeters, despite housing cameras, sensors, and displays. The Lockin V7 Max was announced at the Consumer Electronics Show, or CES 2026, in Las Vegas, where it received an Innovation Awards Best of Innovation distinction. Reports indicate that pre-orders opened in January 2026, with shipping expected as early as March 2026 in some regions. Other sources mention mid-year delivery windows, suggesting that availability may vary depending on location. An official MSRP has not yet been published, but coverage from CES and tech publications consistently places the expected price at around $1,300. Lockin has also indicated that a more affordable AuraCharge-equipped model, a redesigned Vino Pro wireless without the full video feature set, will be priced closer to $350 and ship earlier in 2026. A promotional bundle price of $480 has been mentioned in some regions, though this appears to apply to specific configurations rather than the flagship V7 Max itself. The Lockin V7 Max is a premium, professionally installed Mortis smart lock designed for advanced smart homes rather than casual upgrades. Its combination of wireless optical power, triple biometric security, integrated video features, and broad smart home compatibility makes it one of the most ambitious smart locks announced to date. With an expected price of around $1,300 and shipping sometime in 2026. The V7 Max is clearly positioned as a flagship product that showcases where smart lock technology may be headed, rather than a budget or mid-range option. Leave me a comment with your thoughts on this, then check out some of my other videos. You may find something that interests you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching to the end. It's much appreciated. Until next time, take care.